What's up guys, how are you today? Hope everyone's doing excellent. So today we're going to get a Dinan chip for Bass Boosters M4. Yes, you heard it, a Dinan stage 1 chip for Bass Boosters M4. So as you guys know, his his M4 is still stock, and for some reason he thinks that it's underpowered. I don't know if it's because it's a rear-wheel drive or whatever. I always tell him that it has enough power and everything. But yeah, he went ahead and got a Dinan stage 1 chip. So basically, stock, his M4 is producing just around 440 HP and 450 pound-feet of torque. Did that wrong? Yeah. So 450 pound-feet of torque. With the stage 1, it should add up between 50 and 60 HP and another 50-60 pound-feet of torque. So definitely a noticeable difference. It won't be like a stage 3 difference where it's like 700 HP, no. But it will be noticeable difference, especially on high revs when the tires are well stuck and his car is say 2nd or 3rd gear and going on a straight road. So definitely more tunes to come if he wants to see more differences, such as downpipe and a decat, and maybe a more free flow exhaust. But other than that, I'm excited to see what are the results for this tune. Again, it's a Dinan tune, so super high quality tuning, so definitely will be a noticeable difference, and we'll see. Hopefully we won't get addicted to that. Dinan exhaust, obviously decatted downpipe, nice carbon fiber fenders. This guy goes to the drag all the time, so it's a cool number. This is, by the way guys, the pre-facelift model. You'll be able to see some differences with Bass Boosters M4, which is the LCI, which is the facelift model. So some differences in the LED lights, also the backlights as well, some differences in the seats, some differences in the inside as well. So Bass Boosters seats has holes, as you know. This one's the pre-facelift, does not have it, but pretty much the same, to be honest. Smells a lot like fuel in there.
Oh, that's the exhaust.
Pretty cool forged rims as well.
Hi guys, this is my BMW M4. So basically it has originally 440 horsepower. So I had the Dinan hair intake, I had the heat exchanger, charge pipe, downpipe, the water med kit. I also use GP4 as the tune for the tuning and the mapping. So it goes around 650 horsepower right now. I'm about to do some more upgrades, so I'm gonna switch to another type of computer. I will have all the mapping programs, and I'm gonna upgrade the exhaust also, add bigger rims at the rear for better handling. Basically that's it. I'm also running on race fuel 115 octane rates, so it improved really the starts. And I had some custom wheels, suspension a little, exhaust complete, so that's basically it.
Yeah, I'm definitely telling Bass Boosters to take off his cat, change the whole thing. Alright guys, so we're back. Step 1 for Bass Boosters tuning journey is the Dinan, they call it Dinantronic for M3 M4s. Obviously this is the S55 engine unit, so this is what it is. So let's just look at it. I guess a lot of wiring which will go to the ECU of the car. Let's put this in the back. here we have the chip itself that has all of the programming and stuff. And by the way, guys, this chip could be still used. It's unlocked for stage 1, 2, and 3. So all you need to do is just reprogram the ECU. But other than that, as I said, it's unlocked until stage 3, which could put the car at an output of just around 700 horsepower. But yeah, this was previously used slightly for around 10,000 kilometers, so pretty new. And yeah, I'm excited to put this on. For those who's asking, a typical Dinan stage 1 upgrade, if you're doing, because as you know, like Dinan doesn't void warranty, right? So it is a premium tuning chip. So if we would have to do it at BMW with BMW labor cost and them providing us the chip, it would have cost us just under $3,000. Now, that might sound a bit too high for a stage 1 upgrade, but I guess just, you know, if we're using BMW dealership, you know, labor, that costs a lot, and you know, for them to buy the chip and they want to take their cut, so obviously that would have went for just around $3,000. But since we got it off a good friend of ours, which sold us, as you know, as I said earlier, it was used for just around 10,000 kilometers, which is absolutely nothing. We got it for 800 bucks, and I believe that the labor for us to install it, we'll install it at a local garage in Montreal. It should cost us just around 200-300 bucks. So $1,100 for stage 1 Dinan tune, which is pretty premium, is excellent. And as I said, 50-60 HP coming from a quality name tuning is for $1,100 is quite good, especially we're talking about an M4 2018. So stay tuned. We're gonna take this on the drag, take this on the dyno, test it out, see what are the results, and we'll get back to you. Let us know in the comments below what should be our next upgrades. We wanted to do some exhaust upgrades on the M4, but we thought that, you know, first step, let's just play with the ECU of the car, and we'll see what happens next. Maybe we can change some hardware down in the exhaust, take off, you know, decat the car, put a smaller downpipe, maybe take off the resonator. I'm pretty sure the resonator in this car is pretty small, but definitely if you do a decat and a downpipe, we'll have to you know, free the exhaust from all these mufflers and stuff. So yeah, it will be super fun. By the way, guys, we got some new equipment for the channel. This is a GoPro Hero 7. Honestly, we've had a lot of fun with GoPros. The GoPro Hero 6, which I'm holding right now and filming with, honestly was pretty good. But after reading a lot of forums, we've, you know, noticed a lot of negative comments, a lot of negative feedback, and we've had a bit of bad experiences, like just video cutting, or the battery is super short life, or, you know, just the GoPro not being able to read the SD card. But we read a lot of reviews of the GoPro Hero 7. I guess this is, yeah, the Hero Black 7, and we heard a lot of good reviews, so we went ahead and got it. And definitely, I think we did need a second GoPro, especially for the GoPro, especially for the POV videos that we were doing, just so we can have like 2 views on that. So definitely worth it. And by the way, guys, one of the reasons also we went ahead and got a second GoPro is because we're going on a trip. So me and Bass Boosters and our friend, another friend of ours, and we will be doing nice and cool vlogs for you guys. It's going to be a tropical destination, so stay tuned. And yeah, we definitely thought we need a second GoPro for that, just to have more fun and to record every single memory that we can. GoPro has the worst audio on the planet, which is the stock audio, obviously, that we're just using on the micro on the camera itself. But a mic coming soon for you guys, just so we can have a better audio quality. Basically the mic we're getting is going to be introduced, which is going to be a GoPro mic, which is going to be used inside the GoPro, so this way we're really keeping it a GoPro itself. But yeah, doing our best to please you guys, and see you soon.